you holler. We were poor, but we had love. That's the one thing my daddy made sure of. He shoveled coal to make a poor man's dollar. My daddy worked all night in the Vanville coal mine. All day long the fields of hoeing corn. Mommy rocked the babies at night, read the Bible by the coil light, and everything would start all over come the break of morn. Daddy loved to raise 8 kids on a miner's pay. Mommy scrubbed our clothes on a washboard every day.